Hi, pupils, and welcome to the channel Janice Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the indefinite articles a, and the. If you want to know what are indefinite articles and how to use them, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So you must be wondering, what are indefinite articles a, and the? And the answer is simple. And an are indefinite articles. They are used when we are talking about something not specific or general. The is the definite article. It refers to something specific or known to both the speaker and the listener. So let's start. Now let's look at some examples. We have the indefinite article a. I need a pen. Any pen, but not specific. For example, when you go to a library and you need to buy a pen, you don't know which pen they will sell you. You don't know if they have hundreds of pens. You don't know if they will sell you a blue or a red one, right? You said I need a pen. You wasn't specific. Then we have with the article an. I saw an eagle in the sky. Any eagle, not specific. They could be flying over the sky, many eagles, right? You don't know the name that maybe they have between them. You just said an eagle in general. You don't know which eagle. Then we have with the article that this is an specific one. For example, the car outside is mine. You're expressing that the car belongs to you and that you know the car, right? Because it belongs to you. So a specific car that both know about. Who? The one who's speaking, in this case, me and you. I'm saying the car outside is mine. Then we have I love the book you give me. A specific book, right? The one that you give me that we know about it. Both are familiar with me and you, right? Because you gave me that book and we know which book is, right? Then we have the indefinite article a, used when referring to something not specific or the thing of a kind. For example, I have here I listened a song last night. Any song, not specific. There are many songs, but we are not talking about one in particular. Imagine if you are listening to Spotify and they threw out songs randomly. So you don't know which will come next, right? That's not specific. You just say, I listen a song last night, but you are not saying the name of the song that you listened. You just say it in general. It's the same here. Then we have, I'm reading a book about history. There are many books about history. This is just one of them. Imagine if they or yearly they publish new books about history, and you are talking in general, and you said I'm reading a book about history, but you are not saying, for example, a book of the word of the past, right? You are just saying a book in general. Then we have I need a job. Any job. You are not specifying what kind of job do you need Or do you want to perform? Or just looking for work, but you don't say, you don't give any extra description, you just say in general, I need a job. Then we have here more examples. Use a when referring to something not specific or something that is one of many. I want a pen. It doesn't matter which pen, it could be any pen. We are not saying I need a red one, I need a blue one. We are just saying I want a pen. You are not giving any specification of which pen we want to use or we want to buy, right? We are just saying I want a pen. Then we have I want a car, but imagine in the world there are millions of models of cars, and you say I want a car, but you are not specifying I want a Porsche, for example, right? You just say I want a car, any car, not a specific one. Then we have I saw a dog in the park. But imagine if it's a park for pets and there are thousands of dogs and you said, I saw a dog in the park. You are speaking about the dog that you saw in general. Here, a dog means any dog, not a specific one, right? Then we have the indefinite article an, used when referring to something non-specific that starts with a vowel. Do you remember the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Those are the vowels. And if you don't remember, please, I recommend you to watch my video about consonants and vowels. Then we have here some examples. I ate an apple. Any apple, not a specific one. She saw an elephant. Any elephant, not a specific one. I have an idea. Here is a clear example, guys. In a minute, in an hour, in all day, all night, ideas comes and goes to your minds, right? And you just say in general, I have an idea, but daily you receive hundreds of ideas from your brain, right? So you don't know which specific idea. Any idea, not a specific one. Then we have here more examples. She ate an orange. We still don't know which orange is just any orange, right? There are hundreds or millions in the world, and you just say she ate an orange, but which orange, right? You are not giving a specific description of which orange. Then we have I saw an airplane, but in the sky there is traffic like in the streets in the earth. In the airplanes is the same. In the sky, I mean. An airplane starts with a vowel sound A, right? And we will use an. If you don't remember how to use a and an, I recommend you to watch my previous video about it. Then we have he's an artist. We still don't know which artist is just any artist, right? We don't know if it's an artist from cinema or if he's an artist in painting something. We don't know. We are just saying in general he is an artist. We have the indefinite article the. Is the indefinite article used when referring to something specific or something that both the speaker and listener know? Who is the speaker? Me. And who is the listener? You that are watching this video, right? For example, in here, I love the chocolate you gave me. I'm talking about one chocolate that you bought before and you saw it, for example, a Hershey's, right? And you said, I gave Tanya a Hershey's chocolate. And I say, I love the chocolate you gave me. We both know that the brand was Hershey's, for example. Here, the chocolate refers to a specific chocolate that both the speaker and listener know. Then we have I found the keys. Here the keys refers to specific keys that both the speaker and listener know. Then we have here a clear example. The moon looks beautiful tonight. It means that in the world we only have one moon. It's unique. So we know, everybody knows that there is only one moon in the world, right? Here the moon refers to a specific moon that both the speaker and listener know. Then we have here more examples. She is the teacher of my English class. Who's the teacher here, right? It's me in this YouTube channel. The teacher is specific, the one in your class. So, me, right? You know me. Then we have here, I subscribe to the YouTube channel where I'm learning English. In this case, you subscribed on my YouTube channel. You are specifying that you subscribe on my YouTube channel where you are learning or improving your English. So you see, the YouTube channel is specific in which you are learning. Then we have another clearly example. How many sounds do we have in the word? We just have one sun. The sun is shining today, right? The sun is unique. There is only one sun. So we use the article da. Now let's see some examples, guys, to see if you understood something. For example, don't do this. Don't do this. I have a dog. Hmm. Is it that correct? No, that is not correct, guys, because we are talking about dogs in general, not a specific one, so we won't use a. So the articles a and an are only used with singular nouns, and here we have dogs, more than one, so we can say it. I have a dog, right? Is grammatically incorrect, so be careful with that. We can say I have dogs. Don't invent English, right? Then we have the people are friendly. Is that correct? No, because here we are talking about people in general, not a specific one. So the correct form to say this people are friendly. Is it correct to say I have a apple? No, it's not correct again, guys. Because apple begins with a vowel, and do you remember that when the noun begins with a vowel, we will use the article an. So it's not correct to say, I have a apple. That is not grammatically correct and it's not possible. Because we use and because apple starts with a vowel, so be careful with that. Now let's look some other example. She wants a book to read. I have an orange. I like the cat. I met the teacher yesterday. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. So if you see here, we have she wants a book to read, but we are not specifying which book she wants to read. I have an orange. We use an because orange begins with a vowel. Then we say, I like the cat. Maybe you are visiting the house of your friend and he has a cat and you say, I like the cat or I like your cat. But in this case, because we are talking about things non-specific and specific, we would say, I like the cat. Then we have, I met a teacher yesterday, for example. Maybe you wrote me through messages. No, I'm just kidding. And we meet us, right? Just kidding. Um, so I met a teacher yesterday. Imagine if you are like in the university, right? And the director says, the principal, right, says, Did you meet your teacher? And you say, I met the teacher yesterday. You are specifying which teacher did you know. For example, if the principal tells you, I need you to meet the teacher of science, right? And you said, I met the teacher yesterday. Because you and the principal know about which teacher you are talking about. And then we have the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. This Eiffel Tower don't move to any place, right? It's static in that place and is unique. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris because it's unique in the world. Yeah, there are maybe others in other countries that are the copy, but you know that the original, the Eiffel Tower, is in Paris. So we use the article the to refer to something unique. The Eiffel Tower is unique and is in Paris, right? Thanks to watch my videos, guys. I hope that you understood a little bit about the indefinite articles, the usage of them, or when you will use them. And if you have friends or family that wants to learn English from the basic to the advanced level, please recommend my YouTube channel and subscribe.